Hey guys, Kunal here, Bulls on Crypto Street. You guys have probably heard about Bitcoin and Ethereum. It has been the talk of the year. Bitcoin has gone from $3,000 to $51,000 in the past 12 months. We're talking about 10x return. I know you're probably thinking, what is Bitcoin? What is Ethereum? And how do I get into this? We are going to be doing a cryptocurrency bootcamp. 6 live classes that will teach you everything you need to know about cryptocurrency. I'm going to show you exactly where to set up your accounts so that you have the best places to trade. Show you exactly how to get the right software for your charting, for your news, and organizing yourself. And then most importantly, I'm going to show you what I do best, which is trading these coins. See, Bitcoin's already at 50,000. There are so many other interesting coins that are setting up in powerful patterns that could be doing that same type of move. I'm going to be showing you how to find these coins using charting software, and then most importantly, how you actually enter and exit them so that you can get in on some of these games that are showing up right now. In our day trading and swing trading cryptocurrency chat room, this year alone we've been in so many trades like GRT that I bought in the 50-cent range and sold my last shares at $2 plus. There are many more charts just like that setting up, and we're going to be going over exactly how to trade them. Guys, I have covered everything you need to know about cryptocurrencies in this class. I look forward to seeing you guys.